Eos's Renewable Energy Knowledgebase is designed for estimating wind farms, solar installations, energy storage, and electric vehicle charging stations. The knowledge base contains a model for quickly taking off Level 3 electric vehicle charging stations for your estimates. Level 3 charging stations offer the fastest type of charging available. They use 3-phase 480-volt AC and can recharge an electric vehicle at a rate of 3 to 20 miles of range per minute. Let's take off a model for 3 2-vehicle Level 3 charging stations. The stations will be added to a highway service area to accommodate 6 vehicles. The model provides the chargers, feeder wire, and conduit installed outdoors on a new or existing foundation pad. For the model reference, assign a special reference ID to the model or use the current date timestamp that pre-fills. This installation is located on a limited access highway, so let's reduce the productivity by 25%. We need to take off 3 charging stations with 2 vehicles per station. At this time, the model provides only the 175 kilowatt power rating. Some of the entries are quantities calculated by the model. You can change any of these values. This section of the service area is undeveloped, so we will need foundations, lighting, signs, paving, and bollards. This completes our takeoff for the Level 3 charging stations. Now we're ready to generate the model to the estimate. Let's take a look at our takeoff. The model assembly spreadsheet sequence shows the results grouped by model and assembly. Here's the electric vehicle charging station model. It includes all the items for the charging stations. The model takeoff for the Level 3 electric vehicle charging stations is about $652,000. Need to estimate a Level 3 electric vehicle charging station? It's as easy as completing the interview for the model and generating it to the spreadsheet. Your estimate will contain details for the necessary site preparation, wiring, signs, lighting, paving, and the charging stations. And you can add other models, assemblies, and items for the utility service, transformers, distribution panels, and circuit breakers as needed.